Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video I'll show you how to use the Affirm card in store. So if you want to make purchase at physical stores using Affirm, just follow along. First, open the Affirm app and check that you have access to the Affirm card. Next, activate your card if required, and before shopping, make sure the store accepts the Affirm card or the payment method you want to use. At checkout, use your Affirm card like a regular debit or payment card and complete the payment and follow any verification steps if required. Your purchase will then be handled through your Affirm account based on your available payment options. You can check your purchase details, payments, and plan information directly inside the Affirm app. So that was how to use Affirm card in store. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.